I invite you to join my exclusive Microsoft Learn Room where I will guide you through essential skills, offer insights into the certifications, and provide invaluable resources to boost your career. And of course, I'll be providing you 50% Microsoft exam voucher when you join and actively participate in all the sessions. So, yes, here I can tell you why you should join my learning room. It's like you will learn applied skills. Okay, so you can gain practical knowledge and hands-on experience with Microsoft technologies. Get expert guide advice on preparing for the achieving Microsoft certification, and you will receive 50% exam voucher as well. So once you join my learning room. So here is what how to join. I'll be explaining you through how to join. So this is the link where I'll give this link in the description. Okay, so you can find various learning room. You can just join wherever which interests you. Okay, so this is my learning room. If you just scroll down, you can see. Yes, so this is Microsoft Tech Talks. You can find it here. So you can see if you wanted to learn on any certifications, how to go through the certifications and everything, you can join here. So how to join? Just click this particular link. Okay, so Microsoft Tech Talks is my learning room, Microsoft Learning Room. So once if you click here, it will take you through a form. So you have to fill that form, and you will get the response within 24 to 48 working hours. Okay, so you have to give your email address, give the proper email address through which you have to join. Okay, so I can just give some email address. This is not exactly, I'm not going to submit it. Okay, so I'm just giving an email address. Okay, so you have to you can enter the email address which is associated with your Microsoft Learn account. Okay, so it should be like which is associated with the Microsoft Learn account. Okay, so I'm just giving this, and then you can see what is your first name. So you have to give your first name, you have to give the last name, and click next. Okay, so yes, so you have to give the proper ID, click next, it will take you to the next one. You have pre-selected join Microsoft Tech Talks. Would you like to select more? So if you want to select anything else, you have already clicked here and right clicked, and you are trying to join our learning room. So if you want to select anything more, you can just click S, or else you can click no. Okay, if you click S, you can see various other learning room as well. So this is also this is also one of the learning room which I am a part of it. Okay, so you can click here to join here as well. If you want to join anything else, you can click there and then click next. Next it will ask you like how did you become aware and or get invited. So you can click this invited by Learn Expert. Okay, so next you can click next, and then by clicking I accept, so you are allowed to. This is the last step. Click I accept and submit. Then you will be allowed inside into the learning room within 1 or 2 working days. So please wait till that. Okay, once you have joined, then you can just ping me that you have joined. You will be you can message through the Teams itself. Okay, so you will be provided with a Teams channel link, so you can message me through that, and then just let me know. I'll give you my 50% off, and you have to tell me which exam you are planning to do and what is your preparation level, and also you should tell me when you are going to write the exam. So that is very important, so that I can provide you this particular a voucher. Okay, so do this before scheduling, at least like do this before one week of time gap. Okay, because before you schedule, so you have to do these process before a week you schedule your exam. Okay, so that anyhow it will take 1 or 2 days to get you in the Microsoft Learning Room, and then we'll be talking, and you have to tell me like these things like when are you planning to do and everything. Then I can provide you these things. Okay, so yes, I wanted to see you all soon in my learning room. Those who are really aspiring to become a Microsoft professional, Okay, you can do this. So what you can expect from our learning room is what interactive session covering a range of Microsoft technologies, real world applications and case studies, networking opportunities with peers and industry experts, regular quizzes and activities to reinforce learning. Okay, so complete the form available in the learning room. Mention. So once you have joined, you have to contact us. Okay, don't miss the opportunity to accelerate your learning journey and achieve your certification goals. Join our learning room now and take the first step towards a bright future. Thank you. I want to see you soon. Take care.